CapDosing, the perfect addition for special applications. Miele single-use capsules ensure dispensing without any mess or spillage. Simply add the capsule to the detergent dispenser and choose from additives, care products, or detergent. The appliance dispenses the contents at the perfect point in time, fully automatically. When the program is started, water is passed through the capsule. This creates a siphoning effect, causing the entire contents of the capsule below the detergent dispenser to be flushed directly into the drum, and enabling the ingredients to have the maximum effect for perfect wash results. Nothing could be simpler or more hygienic. Miele CapDosing, the perfect addition for special applications.